Network Entertainment.
Let's talk about payments for weddings. How expensive? What's the range for this? And what comes with the package? Tunes.
Ako I started out.
The package is this.
This.
The decks.
Two decks. You got me in 2 decks.
Pero alam mo, I mean, like when I started out, my first ever wedding gig was 2015. Shout out to Miss Gucci and Charisse of Nice Prince. Sila yung nagpasok sa akin sa industry. And then, naalala ko, nag-charge ako ng 8K. Sabi ko, wow, 8K.
Okay.
Which
if you compare it to your...
Yeah, your 1.515.
Your 1.5.
Wow,
cash pa to. Walang signing.
Pare, so parang 8K, parang solid to. And like, people were enjoying
Pag-uwi
like...
mo siguro, ginanon mo yung 8K sa kapatid mo, no?
Sa Santo Niño.
Pampabuenas.
Santo Niño, ba?
Look at me now, di ba?
You paid me 3 then. I have 8 now.
Pagpagin natin to.
Diba? So, I mean, it was way crazy during that time. But then, like, you start to realize that weddings are... the industry is so lucrative, and I mean, there's so much money being moved around in this industry. And then, like, na-realize ko na parang, okay, dahan-dahan naging parang 10, naging 12, naging 15.
It's 2026. What's the range now for tunes? Let's say Metro Manila.
Malalaman naman nila yan kung kasal sila eh, di ba?
for-
Share na
for
natin.
Metro Manila.
Whatever. I mean, like,
Yeah.
it's in the 50,000 range now, but you
Okay.
get 3 hours, and most of the time, we bring our own equipment.
Okay.
Okay? And then, usually naman, pag nag-extend, I mean, hindi naman kami maarte na parang, oy, lampas na ng
tapa-
3 hours
tapos na
na,
tayo.
2 minuto wala na, di ba?
Go-off ka ako ng ano ito.
No, we're not like that naman. So,
Pinatay na.
diba? So,
Bahala kayo.
only request naman to, di ba? So yeah, I mean, like, it's around that range now, but then, like, we're not strict about it. Like, kunwari, if parang may gusto i-discuss na parang package, pwede bang pag 2 hours lang? Oh, if you end up wanting to play for cocktail hour, pwede ba? Or pwede, like, kunwari, pag wedding weekend in a destination, parang pwede bang sa welcome dinner, ikaw din and stuff like that, diba? So, it's evolving so much. I mean, I've been playing around with a guy that plays the sax during my sets also.
Oh, nice.
May mga ganun na ngayon, diba? And then, yeah, I mean, like, you can do the welcome dinner, the cocktails, diba? So, ibang-iba na talaga yung ano rin ngayon, the landscape for it, diba? And, yeah, but the price is just like that. And I feel like the players with the weddings now are, the DJ sobrang dami na. Super dami. But the demand is crazy.
Yeah. I mean, we talked about this. In one Saturday, there are probably like a good 10, 20 weddings happening in Metro Manila pa lang. Wala pa yung mga out of town.
Oo. And then back then, naalala ko, hindi pa norm ang DJ sa weddings.
Yes.
Hindi
It's
pa.
always the band that
Yeah,
will extend
palagi
after.
ganun. Hindi pa norm yung DJ. But then now,
Or spinner na lang. Kung sino may spinner
spinner.
nung sound system, kayo na.
to end the party. But then now, it's becoming such a...
It is essential.
The essential,
I
definitely.
always
but-
ask pag may meetings like with couples, sino yung DJ?
Same.
Oo.
Yes.
Kasi,
yes.
Oo.
ano rin, parang it helps me understand the vibe of the couple I'm hosting for.
Correct. Ako, ganun rin. I mean, when I meet sorry, tumitingin ko sa camera a lot, parang naaano ko. So, I mean, like, when I...
Sorry tumitingin ako sa camera a lot. It's a showbiz to eh. Tignan nyo to.
Naiilang ako eh. Parang,
Sorry
parang,
siya eh.
wala red na dot, parang...
Wala naman tayong fourth wall na.
Diba?
Bawal i-break.
Kailangan
Sorry,
i-break.
tumitingin ako sa inyo ha. Kinakaus ko kayo dito ha.
Well, okay, so pag nag-meet ako with my couples, I usually end up asking kung sino yung ibang suppliers.
Yes, same.
Kasi when I have an idea kung sino yung host, sino yung coordinator, sino yung photo, sino yung video, sino yung mobile bar.
yeah.
And then I know na parang magaling sila. Then I always tell my couples, so you guys are in good hands.
Nakakatakot ba pag si Jeff?
Yes.
Nakakatakot pag si...
Gusto ko lang tanong yun.
Mr. Jeffrey. I am Jeff.
Nasa episode pala by the way.
It's always crazy when we have mobile bars like Manila Craft because ang goal nila talaga is basagin yung isang tao eh.
Yes.
But I mean, like, it's a once in a lifetime event.
Yeah.
Why the hell not? Diba? Why the hell not, diba? So shout out sa mga mobile bar. You make our jobs easier.
True.
Thank you guys. I mean, like, kasi let's be real, guys. Hindi ko gusto yung parang pag after party, parang hindi pa nila alam kung iinom ba talaga sila and stuff like that. Pero at
Or
the
the
end of
energy,
the day,
or the energy is low.
yeah, and then
I'm sure you've had,
but it's really the best social lubricant. I mean, like it's really alcohol, and then at one point mahahassle pa sila because kung kailan sila nalasing, patapos na.
Yeah.
Parang for me, guys, I mean, just to an advice for like future couples and their like guests, agahan nyo na. Wag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa. I mean, let's drink already and have
What's a
fun
good time?
already.
Let's say dinner onward.
Especially
Dapat meron na!
Yeah.
Dapat meron
Saan
na!
mo na yan?
Oo, kasi...
Padulas ka na.
Hindi, whoa.
Social lubricant Significant to
Ayun,
eh.
yun. Tama.
Oo.
Yeah, ako naniniwala ako dyan. Actually, when people always ask me, I really say, dinner onwards, serve the drinks. Not also too early. Kasi may downside din eh.
Yes.
True.
Yung too early. I've seen weddings na ang agang malasing ng mga tao, kawawa yung mga speeches. Which
Correct.
happens
Correct.
after dinner na kasi everybody's so rowdy already.
Yeah.
Correct.
Lasing na lahat. May
Yung may
kanya-kanyang
sariling grupo.
Kanya-kanyang grupo na.
Wala nang nakikinig.
So wala
Oo.
nakikinig. Kawawa naman like whoever's giving the speech, especially pag parents who usually give the speeches last. So I think a perfect sweet spot would be during dinner, open the bar or open the bottles.
Correct, but I also agree though that parang it's about making the program a bit more concise. Parang kailangan kasi ganun yung kailangan concise yung program because pag hindi rin concise yung program for me
Yun nga, yung
if you
energy
end
dip.
your program at around 11 or mga 10:30 parang you see a bunch of guests like tired already.
Correct.
Like, parang we've been here for a while, man. I mean like
Tumitingin na sa akin, yun yung marker. Pag tumitingin yung mga guests mo sa relo,
yun.
it's a marker that
Oh.
either the energy has dipped a lot or they're already, anong oras na ba? Gusto ko na
Uwing-uwi
umuwi.
I feel like yun yung ano eh, that'll depend on what the couple actually wants.
Correct.
If gusto nilang, because there are a lot
Maraming
now
games.
that wanna just let's get through this
Yes.
and let's party.
Yes.
Oo.
Yes.
If that's what you want, then a concise would be great. If they want all of the wedding reception,
Shebangs.
Shenanigans,
The money dance.
Champagne tower,
the,
stuff like
the
that.
according to Jason Magbanwa, spinning,
paikot ng
spinning
susi.
rings,
Oh.
rings.
Or let's say they just want everybody to talk. There have been speeches like from 12 people na hindi pa tapos. Di ba?
I mean, I guess don't get me wrong. I mean, like for me,
Kanya-kanya.
iyon.
Kanya-kanya.
Meron kasi mga program na sobrang haba. Parang yung kasal namin na wild pa rin naman yung tao. Okay pa rin naman, di ba? So, I guess you're right when it comes to like kung ano yung gusto ng couple. Pero it's also about kung sumaswak pa sa audience mo yun. Kung nagja-jive ba yung audience na nangyayari sa program, di ba?
Some of the best weddings are the ones where the couple really knows
Yung crowd nila.
their crowd.
Oo. Tama,
Kasi
tama,
regardless
tama.
parang okay, it ends at a certain time game. Pero pagkasimula mo,
Rat-rata na. Oo, okay na. Tama.
so it's a case-to-case basis. It depends sa wedding. Sometimes there are weddings that you come into and you see people there like, magulo to.
Oo.
Naku po!
Tapos
Pwede
biglang-
na rin pangalanan
You
ng mga
can tell.
taong yan.
Tapos biglang-
Nakakamoy mo eh.
Mga tatlong tao na pag
But
nandito
then-
ito magulot to.
Kasi those are people that you saw previously in other weddings.
Parang,
Guess sila parang,
I know this guy. I know this guy.
Ito na naman tayo.
And then and it's funny because like there are also like certain songs that you have to start with.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean like
Oo nga, 'di ba, mga pag sa first part ng weddings, puro medyo
Disco.
dancing queen.
Yan,
oo.
yan,
Because you
yan.
have to cater to the
Correct,
correct.
parents.
I think we have the same mindset with this. You, me, at least Rami. I don't know about the others. Hindi ko siya nakakausap. But kayo nakausap ko na about this. I think we have the same mindset of the titas dance first and the friends drink first.
yes.
Okay.
Ganun talaga.
Ako personally, ang goal ko is titas, titos, lolos, lolas,
Enjoy na
come
kayo.
to the dance
Yeah.
floor, kayo po muna.
And that's like a good hour.
Kasi maaga kayo uuwi
yeah,
eh.
a good
Let's
hour.
face it.
Let them have fun.
Yeah.
Let them have fun.
And that's when you ask, diba, you ask the couple, sino supplier, sinong gano'n. I always ask, did you book a DI?
Yes.
Did you book a dancer?
Ayun.
Because it kind
Changes
of,
the, ano eh,
it changes the
the
vibe.
The playlist eh. Mag-iiba.
I
Kung may
see.
DI,
Okay.
wala na. Kailangan natin di ba? Wonderland and stuff like that.
Is this
diba?
a new thing na the DJ start catering to the older crowd also? Parang nung bata-bata ako, parang dito, parang diretso na to the...
No, hindi. Bago lang talaga yan. Kasi nga parang I'd like to feel that weddings now or our sets now have become much more like parang
Diverse.
catering to, yes, diverse and really catering to the guests.
Yeah.
Kumbaga parang, dati nga kasi yung DJs parang, no, listen to my
Yeah.
music.
Yeah.
Listen
Kinuha
to my
niyo
mu-
ako for me.
Kinuha niyo ako for me,
Yes.
di ba? Pero hindi na ngayon eh. I mean, like, let's cater to what you guys want
Correct. It's a
because...
service type of
Yeah,
thing.
di ba? So like, kung may DI, influenced yung set namin bigla na parang, okay, kung may DI, okay. I have to set aside yung mga parang mga hotel room service ni Pitbull later on.
Mamaya
Ano
na si
gagawin
Justin
niyo sa
Bieber.
beach?
Mamaya na si
Okay,
Bieber,
okay.
mamaya na si Bieber, di ba?
wow.
Kailangan muna si VST and stuff like that, di ba? So, yeah, I mean like, it's great in that way, but at the same time, like what you said, like kunwari, mayroon mga after party na parang magsisimula na parang, okay, parang kailangan pa natin to masahihin ng konti. Kailangan medyo mag Bruno Mars ka muna ng konti.
And there's
Oh.
like there are different scenarios for different weddings. Kasi minsan, pag kunwari, si Sam, tapusin na yung spiel niya, introduce na kami, kami yung magsa-start ng party. Sometimes there's a band first.
Yes.
So there's another different energy na parang, okay, pinlay na nito. And there are some bands that play all old stuff.
Yeah.
So you can come in with something newer. But there are also some bands whose set list is a timeline progression. Parang luma pa bago.
Yes.
So parang ang challenge sa'yo nun is, okay, they start with an oldie. Sabihin mo, they start with something like September. And then they end with something like
Shut Up and
Dance. Where do I place myself? Do I go back to the older stuff?
Correct.
Who's on the floor?
Correct.
Sino
Yung
na
mga
nandyan?
tito pa ba? Kasi baka pwedeng something friendly like a Bruno Mars thing or
Yeah.
something na that still works with all ages.
What are those? Who are those artists that
Okay,
work with
this is
both
interesting.
ages?
There are songs that I feel like maka-capture mo halos lahat. That's Bruno Mars, 24K Magic. Pwede ka mag-Can't Stop the Feeling ni Justin Timberlake. And then mga Dua Lipa, I think,
Yeah.
pasok. Pwede ka mag-levitating or Don't Start Now?
Don't start the party.
Don't Start the Party!
Lakay Pisyon Sam.
Huwag mo
Ingat sa
i-start
dance
yung
floor.
party.
Don't start the party.
But yeah, I mean, like, there are certain songs really that capture like a large audience. Dancing Queen, definitely. Okay. But I don't know, like parang now medyo nag-evolve. Like Shut Up and Dance captures everybody. Okay. Low T-Pain captures everybody.
Okay.
Definitely.
May mga
Boots with the fur.
I have
Definitely.
definitely seen my share of titas and titas
That
getting
go low.
That go low.
Wow!
Yes.
The knees are still
Kasi
good.
yung low talaga is people like going down talaga, diba?
Natetesting yung mga tuhod nila kung kaya.
Mismo.
What's one track na parang, sige nga, subukan ko to, try ko to, pero hindi ako sure if it's gonna hit.
Okay, this is interesting. I feel like sometimes that for me is Starships by Nicki Minaj. Parang for me,
Kasi sensitive topic kasi.
di ba?
Ang ganda.
Maaga si Madam.
Bakit?
Like parang dati kasi, I mean like, it's
Let's
so
go
hard.
to the beach. Yes, get away.
No, I mean like, that's fine. But like, parang pag meron current issue, parang, damn, di ko na pwede tugtugin si R. Kelly, hassle naman, di ba? Or parang, yung Kesha TikTok, bawal bigla na, wake up in the
may-
morning,
may-
like
may-
PDD, di ba? So, bawal ko tutugtugin for a good 1 year.
Yo, mga
And
ganun.
after that,
Nakapahinga muna.
Pwede na.
umuwi na
Okay.
ulit.
Minsan tinatanong ko yung sa couples ko, parang, I just have to get this out of the way. Are you fine with me playing Chris Brown? Are you
Yeah,
fine
yeah.
with me
Are you
playing?
serious?
Yes,
May ganun ka?
Kasi
yes.
some of them are very, with like, nang upak yan.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ayoko
Ako
yan.
for mga
Women
15
ba?
years, I didn't play Chris Brown on air.
Yeah.
Si R. Kelly.
Yeah, as a feminist,
R. Kelly
yes.
Jumingle, diba?
Yeah, inihian niya yung ano niya, friends niya, yes.
Sorry. Anyway, back to you, Jazz. Okay, then.
Or yung Kanye ba? Tinatanong niya, okay lang ba ako mag-Kanye? Mga
Actually, si
ganun.
Kanye, actually, mas okay. Parang mas hassle for me yung
Parang
R.
ano
Kelly.
naman siya,
R. Kelly, nangihi
controversial
kasi.
but not like, diba? Parang
golden shower.
Yung take lang naman ng mga tao kay Kanye minsan, parang labo mo.
Weird
bro.
guy
okay,
lang.
okay.
Weird
But
guy.
like,
Chris Brown, mahirap. Chris Brown, mahirap.
So, it depends. Those are some questions that I have to ask. Shout out to Beanie because when they blew up, everyone wanted me to play Beanie.
Regardless of social
Okay,
graphics to.
meron may mga era ang request, no? Naalala mo yung era na puro apata. Every
wow.
wedding.
Every
Pwede bang
wedding.
That was
apata?
the song. That was the
yeah,
song.
man. And then meron namang may era na parang puro naman pantropiko yung request.
That stretch last year,
Was
early
apata.
last year, also like late 2024, early 2025, every wedding. Kailangan may pantropiko ka.
Tas
Kailangan
may
may salamin-salamin ka.
Yeah.
Lahat. Tapos,
Salamin-salamin.
gather lahat ng mga tao
Parang
sa
flash
ano.
mob.
Ganyan. Now it's Opalite. A bit. I mean, some older people want to dance to
It's kind of
Opalite.
also driven by the dance stuff on
Yeah.
Trend.
Whatever
What's
siya,
trending?
what's
What's trending? Yeah.
Yung Opalite, minsan mga tita pa yung nagre-request.
Correct.
Kasi-
Correct.
Alam nila yung sayaw, so they wanna dance it during the after party.
Correct.
I have a question. So kanina, we were talking about yung TF ng club DJ. And parang that's not a living wage. Diba? Let's be honest. Like 1.5
It's not.
a night. Mahihirapan ka.
1.5 was, I think 1.5 is,
Parang hindi na.
On the low end.
Parang hindi na.
Oo.
I feel like minimum is
Ngayon,
2.5.
hopefully.
Ngayon, siguro, I mean,
Don't,
I mean, Palace aside, what would be the more or less you
I
think?
think it's still around 3.
3.
it's
Okay, so you guys were earning 3K a night at a time in your lives. Were you at that time like, parang realistically, I don't think this
Yeah,
is
pero-
gonna sustain me. I mean, now I'm so happy to know that you guys are,
Correct.
earning so much. But was there ever a time na, okay, you were earning 3K a night and you were like, parang, I think I need to, parang I need to pivot?
Pero
Ano ba
kasi,
yun?
nung panahon na yun, wala kaming paki, parang saya nito.
But how about were your parents not sick? Kasi,
Oh,
di
they
ba,
were mad at
parents,
me.
di ba,
They were
find
so
a
mad
real
at me.
job.
They were so
Mga
mad at
ganon.
me.
Di ba like si DJ Mars was working a full-time job in
Yes, sa
ABS-CBN
ABS-CBN.
and also DJing. So that was his thing. It was a
Yeah.
double shift for him.
Ako nag-advertising ako while DJing nung panahon na yun. But then, that time kasi, sige, sabi na natin average of 2.5 and then you get like what? 3 or 4 times a week. So kung parang 40,000 a month na parang sideline lang. I mean like at the time, that was great.
Yeah.
That was awesome for us, diba? Na parang solid yun. But then,
Pandagdag, yes.
nung medyo sinabi ko na parang gusto ko na siya gawin main thing, nung wala na ako ng parang day job, naging hassle na.
Yeah.
Diba? Because you're always just dead.
Correct.
You're always just dead.
Yes.
You're drinking, diba? And then, yung pera mo, magkano na uuwi mo in a month? Like,
Yeah.
what? 15? Wala na rin, diba? So, it had to be a bit more like, kailangan na mag-pivot talaga.
Yeah.
But I feel like also with everything else, with having a job, whatever job that is, yung disiplina rin talaga eh. Like
Yeah.
you can earn this much a night, but if you know how to control
Spread it
it
out.
and spread it out and save it, and but if you have your rules for yourself na ito lang gagastasin ko dyan, ito lang ano ako dyan.
And that came in a bit later, I
Yeah.
feel, for DJs. Kasi,
I definitely got that
Diba?
way
Kasi
later.
enjoy was number one.
yeah,
Oh,
I mean like
enjoy
wala, I
life.
mean like and wala nang pumipigil sa'yo dahil kumikita naman ako eh, 'di ba? I mean like you always like use that justification for your friends or your parents, 'di ba? Na parang kumikita naman ako, 'di ba? But then you have to like sort of like tell yourself at one point na parang teka lang, paano ba natin to gagawin maging beneficial for me
Oo.
in the long run talaga, health-wise and financially,
Yes.
'di ba? So that's how the wedding came in for me. The weddings came in for me. Parang na-feel ko na this was really a great way to kind of like make it a bit more.
How are you guys with drinking? Because we do know some DJs who have already put aside alcohol but still DJ.
Ako, I haven't put it aside. Pero at the same time, parang hindi na rin yung dati na
Hindi mo
talagang
back level.
hanggang death.
Oo,
diba?
oo.
Hindi na talaga kaya ngayon. But then, like kunwari, when we try to tell ourselves na hindi kami inom and then there's a wedding na parang, DJ, shot naman
Siyempre,
oh.
oo, siyempre,
Oh, please,
oo.
diba? So, we can't say. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm gonna look like a
Douchebag.
diba? Hello, DJ
Party
ka.
pooper,
Oh,
oh.
Party pooper, diba? So, you can't not say yes. But at the same time, you can't, kung mga parang nasa mind ko rin na parang, okay, I took this shot already, tubig na to. Wala na, tubig na yung next ko.
I would love to say the same thing, but the people I get to hang around with
Are not
do not
cooperating.
agree
Are not cooperating.
with those sentiments. Shout out to you, DJ Yuri.
Oh my God.
Ako it's just balancing it out. Nag-commit ako to really like focusing on working out. And
We've seen that in your posts.
Payami?
that's like
Payami.
sabi ko, the only way I get to sustain this level is if may ginagawa ko for myself.
Yeah.
Correct.
Because if it's just like late nights, inom ka, tulog ka late, gising ka late, anong gagawin mo? Wala eh.
Yeah.
But it's crazy though, because like when we were in it, sa sobrang nating numb because of what we were doing with our bodies and stuff like that, we don't realize na ito yung nangyayari.
Oh, for sure.
So there has to be some
I
sort of
believe that.
like moment for you that you have to realize na parang ito pala yung nangyayari. Na parang wala na pala akong nararamdaman.
When you hit a certain age
Yes! It's really age.
and you try to stand up and it hurts.
Yeah.
Sa akin, I think at this stage, parang minsan 3 drinks pa lang, it really affects my sleep.
Yeah.
Ano na?
Sobra.
Hindi na siya, I mean,
I mean,
malalim.
like, there are certain events na parang, okay, game
You let
ako.
go.
Game ako, game
Yeah.
ako. Like with my friends, about once in a blue moon game ako. Pero hindi na yung dati na parang,
Naka-plot na sa calendar mo.
Oh.
Dito tayo.
Laban tayo dito.
Laban
Dito,
tayo.
tama,
Fight
tama.
night.
Fight night. Fight
oh,
night.
fight.
Okay.
Kasi dati,
AKA
Oo. Fight night to.
dati kasi i-justify mo pa na parang, kailangan ko to para makamix ako ng
Yeah, yeah,
tama.
oh, right.
I mean like, gaganahan ako. And
Yes.
for a time, it was for me. Parang, kahit sa weddings, may time na parang makakatatlong Ursula ako sa Manila Craft.
Ursula
Bago.
the best.
Yun yung
Pampagana.
I'm in the zone.
Yeah, in the zone, diba? And then a
Okay.
few, dalawang shot, okay. And then you keep on trying to justify that to yourself na naging normal na
Na
sa
paano
sarili.
siya to calm you down,
Yeah, but
to
bro,
get
I mean,
you in the
like, now I
zone.
don't need it, diba? Wala na akong need ngayon. I just play. And then I take care of myself. Even with the food that you eat, diba? I mean, like, I know we're getting off track na, pero pare, yun talaga. To make it more sustainable, it's about the discipline.
And take care of yourself.
Yeah. I mean, like, hindi nauubra talaga yung parang rat-rat lang eh. I mean, like, it will be. In your 20s, siguro kaya, pero
Do you think that you would be talking about longevity?
Correct.
Alam mo yun? Kasi diba
Lebron
parang,
style.
it's
tsaka
a young person's job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diba?
It is.
And that's why for me, a lot of things have influenced DJs being in the limelight now. Like, because of social media, because of how things shifted after the pandemic, na parang kung paano pinackage ng ano. Like, a lot of international DJs are seen as pupunta namin siya. Which is great. Which is really how things should be in certain situations na bilok sila, pupuntahan sila. But I think na generalize masyado na nalalagay sa spotlight yung ibang when the spotlight should be about the music, should be about the night, should be about making people dance.
Correct.
And then it's just like na-frame ka. Hindi naman siya, parang syempre, getting follows and getting views and getting all of that is great because it will only help us
Get your name out there.
get your name out there, expand your reach, may maaabot ka mga tao na hindi mo
Ibang
particularly
laban
maaabot
yun
otherwise.
Ibang laban yun talaga. So,
But behind all of that, hindi siya all just glitz and glamour and there you are.
Ganda tignan ito.
Diba? There's a lot that has to go behind that na alagaan mo yung sarili mo and because it's a tiring.
Oh, I'm sure.
Hi, I'm Victor Anastasio of Comedy Manila. Are you looking for positive vibes and inspiration in your daily life? Di wag kang makinig sa podcast ko dahil baka mabwisit ka lang. Intellectual Wall with Victor Anastasio. Ano bang pinag-iisipan at pinapag-complainan ng isang komedyante? Ano ba ang isang stand-up comedian sa Pilipinas sa likod ng tabing ng entablado? Yan ang i-reveal natin sa Intellectual Wall with Victor Anastasio, produced by the Pod Network.
I'd like to say also that for sobrang malaking similarity for me yung I don't say I can't say politics of weddings and the nightlife, pero there's so much that goes on in terms of like how you are before with the clubs na parang you have to be sort of like close with the owner or the promoters.
PR.
PR para medyo makuha ka,
Correct.
parang they'll remember you and stuff like that. I would like to say na ganun rin sa weddings to a certain extent. How you relate with your co-suppliers and the coordinators that sort of get you. Kasi
It doesn't matter. I'll with this. It doesn't matter how good you are if you're an asshole. People aren't gonna want to work with you.
I feel like yun yung difference sa weddings ngayon. It's about how you work. Oo, parang hindi, I mean,
The talent is given, di ba?
yeah,
Maraming talented.
Of course. I mean like, let's be real. Okay, let's be real. In terms of like weddings, yun talaga yung ano namin yun talaga yung parang playlist namin. There are songs that you guys know that you will hear. Okay? But it's about how you package it and how you tell the story for the night. That will differentiate you, diba? And definitely how you work with your peers and your colleagues in the industry, diba? So, I feel like malaking similarity yun because before, ganun rin naman sa nightlife industry na parang pagkakilala mo yung mga ibang DJs and then they see that you're decent.
Okay ka, yeah.
Oh, I mean, that goes with the, like what you said kanina, the discipline about taking care of yourself and making sure that you're okay with everybody and whatnot. And that's not making it a popularity contest, but really just doing good work.
Saka sa akin, it's that whole how you present yourself and how you place yourself there is really so important. Kasi if na-work mo na yung skill mo, andyan na yan, marami mo galing
Exactly.
magaling.
Bakit ikaw?
Exactly.
Bakit ikaw?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Ikaw dahil pag andyan ka, the crowd and the suppliers and the coordinator know that you're gonna give 100%
They know that you're gonna deliver.
every single time, start to finish. But also, behind the scenes, know na madali ka
Yeah,
kausap,
you're pleasant to work with.
hindi ka,
You're
hindi
with
malaki yung ulo mo.
Diba?
Yeah,
okay
diba?
ka sa mga meetings and emails and stuff like that, diba? Sa mga call time.
Kahit minsan late ka mag-reply. Pero,
Magre-reply ka pa rin.
magre-reply ka.
Oo, basta mag-reply
Sana
ka.
same day.
Pero yun, diba?
Sana lang.
Para for me, it's really about, it weaves together. Taking care of yourself so that when you are booked to perform, you can perform.
At your best.
Diba? At your best. It's not,
Ironic, no? Kasi isipin mo, club DJ and self-care.
Parang,
No, that's
parang malayong...
Nope.
Kailan nangyari yung shift na to?
No. Oh, maganda yun.
nung tumanda.
Yun talaga, yun naman talaga eh. Well,
Yun naman talaga.
I'm
I
such
mean,
a
if-
believer that if you still want to be on top of your game no matter how at what age ganyan, you really have at one
No,
point
pero
to
that's
start
true
caring
because
for
like
yourself.
the crazy the DJs that are still doing it now na nag-start mag-take care ng selves nila na parang hindi naman sa hindi na umiinom but then like they
mas malaga
like
na.
sila Steve Aoki, man, their
look
routines
great.
are crazy.
Yeah.
They look great. Diba? So ganun yun. I mean, that's how you really make sure that you guys actually
If you want to stay in the
yeah,
game.
if you want to, diba?
If you still want to stay in the
but
game.
yeah, you're right, bro. The great equalizer. It's really age. I mean, like, but I guess syempre choice mo pa rin yun. What you want to do with it, your age, diba?
Hindi tayo lahat Lebron na.
Oh, correct. Pero, kasi makakaramdam ka talaga eh.
Oo naman.
You feel it. I mean, like,
Facts.
what the hell am I doing with my life? Diba?
Yung recovery, it's more of the recovery for
Yes.
me. It's like,
Actually, I was just talking to Tin about this yesterday, last night.
Yeah.
Na parang may mga days na, let's say, I'm sure you guys feel this also. Like for me as a host, pang-5 araw mo na nag-host. Pag-gising mo na ng pang-5 araw, you've been entertaining people for the past
Yep.
4 nights. You've been talking so much. So you
You've
wake
been
up.
overstimulated.
Overstimulated
ka na.
Pagkagising mo pa lang, tulala ka na. Tapos alam mo tonight, kailangan mo ulit
Gagawin mo
gawin.
na naman ulit.
So may ganun ka na eh. So talagang the self-preservation really comes into play.
Yes.
And I'm such a believer of that.
Oh.
it's one thing to, kunyari, yung stretch of 5-6 events and weddings tuloy. Iba pa yung may biyahe ka.
Oo.
Ay,
Bro.
naku
Hindi,
po.
manggaling ka pa. Di ba yung nangyari sa atin? Yung galing tayong Palawan, so the next day sabi ko, bro, pag uwi ko, magtagaytay pa ako. So the next day, may tagaytay na ako. Sabi ko, this is not,
It's also not normal.
Oh.
It takes a lot of, oh man, I don't know what the word is, but
balance and control, I
Yeah.
guess. Yun. Parang you have to like tell yourself na parang alam kong kikita tayo ng more, pero at what cost?
Yep.
Yeah.
At what cost ba tayo, di ba,
It's kind of an addiction, di ba?
Yeah, of
Kasi
course, of
ano,
course.
when you get booked for a job, it's parang validating you
It is.
as a
Instant.
talent,
Instant.
di ba? So, addiction siya. So, at what point are you able to say na, okay, I need to wean off of this because
Yeah.
medyo nalululon na ako.
That came in late too for me. I feel like with you also kasi who are you to say no?
Yeah.
Di ba? Yun yung belief ko dati. Parang,
tsaka ginusto mo to eh.
Sayang.
Oo.
Diba, you worked so hard to get
This
to
is what
that.
you were praying for.
You worked so hard to get
Ako,
to
I
this
think
level.
I'm still at I probably would say I'm still at the strike while the iron is hot mentality.
No.
Andun pa ako eh. Kasi like, every time I get a second to sit back and look at everything, parang, wow, nagawa mo to.
Not too bad.
Kalain mo yun?
Not too bad.
But yun yung thing,
So looking
parang-
at your little self and putting, you know,
Yes.
you did a pretty good job.
But for me, it's like, strike while the iron is hot, but make sure that you're not just letting everything else go. Na yun lang, yun
What's
lang yung
everything
balance.
else?
Having time for yourself,
Family.
family time, getting to talk with friends, and those things. Kaya for me, it's such a huge, and I know all of us can relate in this room, such a huge blessing and privilege to be able to do what we love as our job.
Oh my
Absolutely.
God.
Kasi like, you can, more often than not, you have control of your own time. Diba? If someone wants to, lunch tayo. Pwede ako sa hapon.
tara.
Diba?
Podcast tayo, tara.
Podcast tayo. Wala kami gagawin during the day.
Alam mo,
Mamaya
people
pa
tayo.
yung, diba?
Ako more often than not, actually, kalaban mo sarili mo talaga.
Oh.
Like when like those thoughts come and then like may konting fatigue ka and then self-doubt comes in, imposter syndrome comes in, di ba? But then you have to just navigate through that,
Yeah.
pare. I mean, like...
Or gout comes in.
Or
Yeah.
gout.
yeah. I mean, like, just health, just like, stares you in the face na parang, okay, ayusin mo na.
Ano na?
ano na.
Upa ka na naman tonight.
It really comes with having a good support system also.
Yeah.
So shout out to everyone na hina-hype up ka, but at the same time hindi ka hina-hype up lang na without like proper.
Yeah.
Diba?
Think about like your health tune, whatnot.
Yeah.
Diba?
Wait, speaking of support system, Toons, you got married to someone in the industry.
That's amazing. Yeah, she's a wedding planner. Shout out my wife, Ange. Crazy kasi parang months before I met my now wife, I was talking with my friends from Babol. We had like a, parang reunion ng mga Babol. They were like, you know what? You should meet someone in your circle. Parang, hindi mag-work. Then, that's how she sees it too, na parang, by tayo mag-ano. But then, like, it's easier because we kind of understand our jobs. No?
Yes.
I know, she understands that I have to stay, or ako, I understand that.
Closing, oh.
Yeah, siya naman, pagka during the day, when she has her wedding planner thing, she can't talk. She'll not reply talaga, wala talaga, because she has to do her thing, diba? But yeah, it's been great because like I feel like this industry has given so much to me and to her, and this is just me wanting to stay longer and at the same time like para make it more meaningful for the both of us. Like parang being able to do more events and share more moments with our future couples and our co-suppliers and whatnot. Yeah.
Jazz, kailan ka? Wow!
Wow!
Gulat ako!
Magra-wrap up na
So,
dapat.
yes, ikaw. May
Magra-wrap
balak
up na dapat ako pero parang
Oh.
hahaba pa yata to.
Kung may nanonood dyan,
Seryoso eh!
Pang 2 episodes na nga to ginagawa natin eh. Oh.
kung may nanonood dyan na gusto kong i-book,
Yo!
not as a DJ, but as a
As a groom.
let's talk.
With a small honorarium.
Small honorarium.
Let's talk.
Importante yun.
Okay lang honorarium.
Link in the comment below.
Kami ni Sam, lagi kami tinatanong. Ako hanggang, well, si Sam is already married, but they always ask us, sino mag-host ng kasal mo? Ikaw, ano ka, host ka? Ikaw, when you got married, who were,
The DJs?
DJs.
Ravi and Jazz. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't know. Parang for me, pag sa wedding, it's so hard to not do your job because you're so used to it. But at the same time, you have to let go. You have to let go and just really enjoy it.
Was
Diba?
there a point when you were planning your wedding na parang I wanna play at my own wedding? Wala.
No.
Zero. You
No
just wanted to
naman.
have
You
fun.
let go. talaga.
Yung wife ko mahirap because
But he played a few songs.
I
And his wife was staring him down.
What the are you doing? Pinag-usapan na natin to.
Hindi ko na maalala.
Yung ganun ka,
Ay,
what's up,
wait,
bro?
Medyo ano lang, gigil. Pumitik lang ng
but
konti.
yeah, but hirap eh. Like, kunwari, my wife naman, kahit na hindi siya yung nagpa-plan, her team was the one planning it.
Of
It's so hard for her not to like,
You have to super check
yung
out.
mga te ng konti, di ba, mga te? I mean, like, did you feel that with your wedding?
Ako, hindi. Full ano ko.
B&O
Let
hosted the
go,
wedding.
B&O. So ako
nice,
full
nice.
full let go.
But yeah, I
ako.
mean, like,
And there were too many hosts in the
crowd.
In the
Yes,
crowd.
yes,
So alam mo kahit na may mangyari pang iba, may sasaluhan.
Oh,
Masyado marami.
Gets.
But I feel like that's a nice thing. You can speak for this more than I can, but like I feel that's a nice thing about working in the industry. If you make those relationships and you get to work with these people,
Bro, shout
if sila
out to-
if sila yung magsusupply sa wedding mo, alam mo na eh.
Yeah.
Shout out to our suppliers for the wedding, man. I mean, like, man, they're not just friends, but I mean, like, parang the services that they gave us for our weddings. I mean, thank you, bro. Thank you for doing that for
Kayo
me
pa,
too.
Pucho.
So,
All
yeah, I mean,
out,
like,
man.
weddings are amazing, bro. Ako I super
Masarap
love
talaga.
weddings. I super love
It's a
weddings.
beautiful industry.
Yeah.
People ask me, like I've been doing it for what, 19, 20 years, even 20 years. People ask me, hindi ka ba nagsasawa? Nag-weddings ka pa rin? Hindi.
Hindi. Saya talaga.
Iba
Saya
yung
talaga
crowd
siya.
every time. Iba
The vibe.
yung couple
Yeah.
every time. I mean,
No
like,
wedding is the same. Ever.
Yeah.
Wala.
Yeah.
Ever. Wala talaga. Kahit nasabihin mong tutugtugin, alam kong tutugtugin yung September, masaya pa din ako. Magwawala yung
Mag-i-enjoy
mga,
pa rin ako, yes.
And for me, probably linking it to the club versus the wedding scene. Kasi syempre, hindi necessarily pareho yung tugtugan mo sa wedding sa tugtugan mo sa clubs. Especially in other venues. Some venues want you to play mainstream. Some venues want you to try to
Medyo malalim
Deeper
ng
stuff,
konti.
Diba?
Deeper
Iba
stuff,
yung tugtugan natin. And this is no knock to ano. But that's why for me, sabi mo, medyo marami namang nagda-double and nagtatry mag-weddings ngayon and tumutugtog in weddings ngayon. But for me, that's where the difference is. Some people are actually really geared towards service. Some DJs, and it's no knock to DJs who have this mindset, are geared towards I will make you hear something that will surprise you.
correct.
And that-
Oh, there's something different.
and venues, some venues will, yun yung swak eh. That's why for me, when people ask, so, paano mo alam ko anong tutugtugin mo during the night? Depende kung saan ako nakabook.
Correct.
Diba? If I'm booked in this place and I know that this is what they want me to do, or this is why they booked me here, and for a lot of those places, it's, they book you there because they know that the way you play or what you're gonna provide them is gonna help the club sell.
Correct.
It's a business
That's
at
why
the end of
they're
the day.
booking.
Actually, with DJs, I mean, like, we are always like branded as parang, what genre do you play? Okay, it's always
Correct,
like that,
correct.
diba?
Yeah.
But then, like, there are a few of us, I feel like Jazz, Rami, and me are one of the biggest examples of this, that we're open format. Na parang lahat trip namin. I mean, like, si Jazz, roots niya yon, same with me, hip-hop and R&B, but then trip ko talaga to just play what you guys will be happy with.
And I
Yeah,
see
so
that.
lakas
I mean, I
mag-K-pop,
see that
diba?
when you guys...
Same with me. I mean, like, I just, kung ano yung trip nyo, dun ako. I mean, like,
Because I think
Service talaga.
you're in that point, correct me if I'm wrong now, you get fulfillment when you see the crowd. happy.
Yeah.
Yun na yung parang
Sobra.
masaya ako.
Sobrang saya
Uwi na ako
talaga.
nakangiti.
Yes.
Oh,
Kasi masaya
there's
kayo.
a-
keeps me going.
Yeah.
Really.
There's a certain fulfillment like playing something na parang yung crowd reaction would be like, ano to?
Oh, yeah, yes.
But also, there's a certain similar fulfillment if naririnig na nila yung kanta na alam na nila na papasok na, tapos parang,
na-excite na sila.
ayan na!
Yes.
Lalo na yung
Oh
mga,
my God.
yung mga classic,
Oh.
yung mga classic
Oh.
2010s, 2012
Yeah,
EDM
yeah.
na parang
Makinalakihan
naririnig
nila.
mo na yung build-up, tapos alam na nilang yun yun, na parang,
But yeah, I mean, I completely agree with you, bro. I mean, in terms of like DJs who are not like that.
Yeah.
I mean, I have so much respect for DJs who just do their thing. I mean, and dun sila bagay, and they have certain events that fit that style.
Yeah.
Yep.
Diba? But at the same time, I mean, like tayong dalawa, open format. This is how it is. We serve people.
that's why for me, like, sabi mo, no wedding is the same, no DJ is the same.
Yes.
A lot of DJs are similar, maybe, in terms of paano ka na-train, anong taste mo. But I would really say there is a lane for everyone. Because this lane, this
Yeah.
wedding lane is not for everyone.
Yeah. That's
true.
This more underground lane is not for everyone.
This events.
I never
hindi rin.
ma-weddings ako and events, but in all of my DJ life, I've only probably done 2 festivals. So hindi ako maganon.
Iba rin yun. Iba.
That's
Oh.
not, I know that's not my lane. Put me
Okay.
in a festival setting, I'm like, ang gagawin. Diba? So there's a lane for everyone. So many DJs don't do weddings.
Self-awareness din
But
is
do-
important.
yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Or
Correct.
So it's
actually,
a lot of it
sometimes
is-
might take time to find your lane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diba?
And that's
Like,
okay.
Whoever
No.
thought you'd end up being, you know,
It took a while for me.
enjoy
Ako,
weddings.
it took a while for me talaga. Kasi nung time na parang I was really like doing a bunch of clubs and I was doing festivals, pare. As in talagang EDM style. Yun naman ang uso ng panahon na yun, di ba? But then like at one point, I told myself na parang, okay, this is what was working and then medyo feel good ako about it. Then let's work on it.
Yeah.
Let's build it and stuff like that, di ba? But yeah, I mean like many...
It's really just finding kung saan mo kaya mag-thrive. And then really just doubling down and dito tayo
Yeah.
papanin. Kasi again, there is a space for everyone in this industry.
I used to think that the DJ industry before was a bit more ruthless. Okay? Parang yun na nga, yung nangyari sa'yo sa Fiamma, di ba? Okay? Parang ika-cut ka and stuff like that na parang, oy, dapat ganito, dapat
Pataasan
ganyan.
ng ihi.
Oh, yan. Pataasan ng ihi. But I think now, there are more DJs, younger DJs, that actually come up to me for just advice.
Yeah.
Tanda na eh, di ba? So, just for advice na parang, how do you go about this with weddings? How do you go about this? DJ Tunes, paano mo ginagawa to? And ako, I'm happy to give it up, man. I mean, like, I'm not ayoko mag-gatekeep. Ayoko mag-gatekeep. Dahil parang for me, like what you said, there's a lane for everybody,
And also, sabi Sam, like, they're at 10, 15 weddings a night.
Yeah.
We can only do one.
Correct. Huwag kang mag-alala kung,
We can only do one.
kung hindi mo na hindi niya kasi malamang there's another gig. It
There's
was probably
another-
not meant for you.
Oh.
There's a bunch of reasons for
Exactly.
everything.
So, I mean,
Things
like,
happen for a reason.
I mean, for me, at this point, I think Jazz can feel the same way na parang pag meron mga nag-approach sa amin ng mga newbie na parang gusto mag-learn and stuff like that, na gustong matutunan gawin to and whatnot, sobra kaming open.
Yeah.
I mean, I love that ito yung landscape yun. Ito yung nangyayari right now. Sobrang dami gusto matutunan. It's never been easier to learn. Honestly.
True.
Okay, so yeah, shout out to all those DJs
And
that are
it's
starting
different.
out.
Sorry, to add to that. It's different kinds of advice that people ask for. Like, say, ako, still being in both fields. Sometimes some of the younger DJs come up to me to ask me specifically about how do I do this in a wedding? Kasi iba talaga eh. Iba talaga. You have to come in with a different mentality here versus a different mentality here.
Tsaka layo. Layo, ang layo pero at the same time sobrang pareho din. Ang weird. Oh.
The art is the same. But
Yeah.
we appreciate you guys being on the podcast. Medyo na
Oh
pa-overtime.
my
tayo.
God. We knew this.
We
Sabi
knew
naman natin
coming.
beforehand.
We're going an hour and 20. We'll probably break this up into a 2-part
Yeah.
episode.
But okay, before we close, okay, let's say there are, soon to be brides and grooms out there. Can we give them like a short package? Like what can they expect from a DJ Tunes spun wedding and what can they expect from a DJ Jazz spun wedding?
Okay, sige. Like with me, I always want to like make sure that I know the couple. And I know who I'm playing for, sino yung mga nandun, sino yung mga suppliers, ano yung venue. that makes it easy for me to make it so streamlined. Okay? Na parang ito yung makukuha nyo. You see what you get what you see. You get what you met with me for. Na parang hindi kayo masusurprise. Parang it's expected.
Walang gulatan.
Yeah, walang gulatan. But at the same time, parang I'm here to entertain. Okay, I just want what's best for you. This is a once in a lifetime event. I mean, like, I got married, so I know what it's like. So yeah, I mean, like, that's what you get with me. I mean, just to make sure that whatever you guys want, you'll get.
And of course, how can they reach you?
Yes.
Instagram, I feel like that's the easiest. I mean, like, that's how people reach each other
What's your
nowadays.
Instagram, DJ Tunes?
At Toonscan. Yeah. Yeah.
Jazz.
A lot of singing, dancing, and jumping.
Yes, sir.
Just like what we want. Diba?
Yun naman siya. Very, very similarly to Tunes, I will reach out to you, we will talk, and we will cater the wedding towards what you guys actually want. Kasi meron naman talaga siyang, may mga expected ka nang maririnig mo sa weddings. But sometimes people want more
Creativity.
punk rock, emo. Sometimes they're...
Bespoke. More personal.
Sometimes
Ah, tailor-made.
DM sila.
Oh.
Minsan gusto nila ng
Hip-hop konti.
konting K-pop.
Oh.
Minsan, magsisingit ka ng Disney Channel theme songs. Yung mga ganun.
Saya nun.
So, diba? So, we'll cater it to what you guys really want, and that's
Part of the package.
part of the package. That's the
what
promise.
You pay for.
Na it's gonna be your night. It's
Yeah.
gonna be your wedding.
And how can they find you? How can they reach you?
Instagram's best at Jazz Zamora.
There we go.
Thank you,
Gentlemen,
guys.
thank you so much.
Thank you for the time. Oh my God.
Thank you. Thank you.
Grabe.
OTAF.
For the hour and
Can I
25.
just say I'm super proud of
Super.
where you guys are at.
Super happy for you
How
guys.
you've
So
taken
proud
your
of you.
career and I talking to you guys, I feel the fulfillment more than anything. That
Thank you.
You guys are,
We hope
regardless of
to-
what the age, you're fulfilled with what you're doing.
Yeah.
Let's
and I
keep
think
it
that's
going. Let's keep it going.
That's what keeping you going in the industry.
Someday, you will spin and Sam and I will host Jazz's wedding.
Let's
Yay!
go!
Oy, waiting mo rin.
Ay, oo.
Kasama ka na kayong
Hindi pa pala tapos.
Kayong dalawa. Thank you for watching. Ikaw
Thank
pala
you.
yun. My name is Sam YG.
My name is Tin Gamboa. We'll see you in the next one.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.